The next type of equations that we are looking at are rational equations. So we are dealing with fractions. And when solving rational equations, we can find the cross products. And we must again always check our answers in the original equation for false or extraneous solutions. So when you plug in these false answers, they make a denominator equal to 0. And we can't have that because we can't divide by 0. So number 7, we have 8 over x is equal to negative 4 over x plus 3. Now I have this negative sign, and I can either give that to the top or the bottom, and it's easier to give it to the top and make that a negative 4 because that's just one number. If I were to give it to the bottom, I would have to make this a negative x and a negative 3. So it's just going to be a negative 4 on the top. So now I'm ready to find the cross products. So I'm going to cross multiply, and negative 4x is equal to 8x plus 24. So make sure that you distribute the 8 to both the x and the 3. And then I can solve. So I want to subtract 8x from both sides. Negative 12x is equal to 24. And then divide both sides by negative 12. And x is equal to negative 2. Now, before I can circle negative 2 as my answer, I need to check it in my original denominators to make sure that it doesn't equal 0. So plugging in negative 2 into this denominator makes it negative 2, so that's okay. And plugging in negative 2 into this denominator makes it positive 1, so that's okay. So as long as it's not 0. So negative 2 is my answer.